Welcome back to Legit or Scam, where we uncover the truth behind popular health products. Today, we're diving into Mitolyn, a weight loss supplement gaining attention for its unique approach to fat burning. Is Mitolyn the solution you've been looking for, or just another overhyped product? Stick around to find out. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a weight loss supplement designed to unlock your metabolic power by targeting your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses of your cells. According to its official website, Mitolyn is packed with a proprietary blend of 6 rare ingredients that claim to boost mitochondrial levels, burn fat, and provide sustainable energy. It also boasts several attractive perks, a 90-day 100% money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. The product is manufactured in the USA in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. Non-GMO, plant-based, soy-free, and dairy-free. Plus, Mitolyn offers free bonuses with certain packages, which we'll get into later. The science behind Mitolyn. The claims of Mitolyn revolve around recent research from Harvard scientists, which suggests a link between mitochondrial levels and metabolism. According to studies cited on their website, overweight individuals tend to have lower mitochondrial levels, while slim individuals exhibit higher mitochondria activity. By boosting mitochondria, Mitolyn aims to increase energy production, fat burning, and overall metabolic efficiency. Here's the science. Mitochondria convert food into ATP, the energy that fuels your body. More mitochondria mean a higher capacity to burn fat and keep your body running efficiently. The ingredients. Mitolyn combines 6 exotic, plant-based ingredients. 1. Maki berry, packed with antioxidants like anthocyanin, promoting mitochondria while supporting heart health and healthy cholesterol levels. 2. Rhodiola, an adaptogen that reduces stress, boosts mood, and supports brain health while promoting mitochondria. 3. Haematococcus, a red algae rich in astaxanthin, known to enhance mitochondria activity, support joint health, and boost immunity. 4. Amla, full of antioxidants and nutrients, it promotes mitochondria, aids digestion, and supports vision health. 5. Theobroma cacao, a tropical superfood containing epicatechin, promoting healthy blood pressure and mitochondria activity while being a natural aphrodisiac. 6. Schisandra, red berries packed with antioxidants that promote calorie-burning mitochondria, support liver health, and maintain skin elasticity. These ingredients are plant-based, non-GMO, and free from artificial stimulants or habit-forming compounds. Does Mitolyn really work? According to the official site, Mitolyn users have experienced significant weight loss and improvements in energy levels. Here are a few real-life examples. Peggy lost 35 pounds and regained her confidence. Russell torched 29 pounds, especially stubborn belly fat. Connie dropped 40 pounds, transforming her energy and lifestyle. The product works best when combined with a healthy diet and regular activity. However, individual results will vary based on factors like metabolism and lifestyle. Is Mitolyn legit or a scam? Based on the information from the official site, Mitolyn appears to be a legit product with a science-backed approach to weight loss. The ingredients are supported by studies linking them to mitochondria health and metabolism. The 90-day money-back guarantee provides a risk-free trial for users. Bonuses like free detox guides and mindset-boosting techniques add value to the purchase. That said, it's essential to consult a doctor before starting any supplement, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Bonuses and offers. Here's where Mitolyn stands out. The official website is offering 2 free bonuses with every 3 or 6 bottle package. 1-day Kickstart Detox, a guide featuring 20 detox tea recipes to flush your system and aid absorption. Renew You, a mindset-focused guide to relieve stress, boost confidence, and reduce anxiety. Plus, ordering 6 bottles comes with free shipping, making it the best deal. Links to these offers are in the description below and in the first pinned comment. The verdict. So, is Mitolyn worth it? Based on its ingredient profile, user testimonials, and the science behind mitochondria, it's clear that Mitolyn offers potential for those seeking weight loss support. However, remember that no supplement is a magic fix. For best results, pair Mitolyn with a balanced diet and regular exercise. That's all for today's episode on Mitolyn. If you tried it, let us know about your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased reviews on legit or scam. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Explore the discounted offers and bonuses by clicking the links in the description and pinned comment below. Stay healthy, stay informed, and as always, check before you invest.